Stop fearing the advance variation. Here is the blueprint to dismantle it.
In the world of chess, the French defense is a fortress. White starts the clock with pawn to e4. Black responds with the resilient pawn to e6. White seizes the initiative with pawn to d4, and black counters with pawn to d5. Now comes the critical moment. White pushes pawn to e5. This is the advance variation. White has gained a space advantage, but they have also fixed their center, giving black a clear target to attack. Black immediately fires back with pawn to c5, undermining the foundation of White's structure. White develops the knight to f3, defending the center. But black's response is sharp. Queen to b6. Notice the pressure. The queen eyes the d4 pawn and prevents the dark-squared bishop from moving, lest the b2 pawn fall. White braces the center with pawn to c3, creating a solid pawn chain. Black develops further with knight to c6, adding a third attacker to the d4 square. White chooses the cautious bishop to e2. Now, a warning. Had White tried bishop to d3, a famous trap lies in wait. If black were to trade pawns on d4 and greedily grab with the knight, White would unleash a devastating bishop check on b5, winning the black queen instantly. Flexible move aiming for the f5 square to pile even more pressure on the White center. White makes a tactical decision. Pawn takes c5. Most players would recapture immediately, but black has a deeper plan. Queen to c7. By delaying the recapture, black prepares to hunt down the e5 pawn first. Once that central anchor is gone, White's position will collapse. This isn't just a game of capturing pieces, it's a cold-blooded siege of the center. The battle for the French defense has only just begun.